We're starting to move towards technical analysis. And the question really is, what is technical analysis? What are these charts? Well, the reality behind these charts is that there are people. Behind every single dot on the screen, there are actions of two individuals. There is a guy who bought and a guy or a gal who sold, right? There are two people behind every trade. And you can, oh, what about algorithmic trading? Well, those algorithms are programmed by someone, aren't they? When we're looking at the charts, we're looking at footprints. And those footprints can be very messy or they can be very organized. Charts can be trending or charts can be caught up in congestion zones. Very easy to see all of them in the past, very difficult at the right edge. But prices are the footprints of bulls and bears. So when we analyze charts, we analyze mass behavior. This is the formula, really. This is the formula on which I think technical analysis stands. Each price reflects a momentary consensus of bulls and bears. Since we're talking about Tesla, let's take a look at the Tesla chart, TSLA. We'll look at the Tesla chart. Let's go here, 5-minute chart. Each bar represents 5 minutes of trading. We can slice it even thinner. We can go to 1-minute chart. Oh wow, having a nice rally in Tesla here. There was no rally on the daily chart. But you slice and dice, and eventually that's the danger. You slice and dice, you end up seeing what you want to see. So you have to have rules for your slicing and dicing. But on this 1-minute chart, I just want to say to you, behind every single dot, never mind the bar, behind every single dot, there are two individuals. There is a buyer and there is a seller. So each price is established in balance, in this balancing act between buyers and sellers and undecided traders. If you're in a mood to buy or to sell short Tesla, then you're a participant in Tesla, even though your trade isn't there. The people who are buying and selling it know that they better move fast, because if they don't move fast enough, you're going to jump in and take away their bargain. And so every single dot on your screen represents actions of two individuals surrounded by the market crowd. And so each dot is a reflection of the consensus of the entire market. So each tick represents market consensus for the entire crowd at that time. And when you're buying or selling, you're actually being very courageous, because the entire market crowd said, this is worth so much. And you're saying either, I think it's worth less, or you're saying, oh, that's cheap, let me buy more. So you're arguing with the entire market crowd.